What up, it's your boy Sly Cannon, AfroNerdTV, comes to you today with another video, and this video is about a new PC build that I did, and yes, I know I still need to finish my Black Panther build, which is beneath me right here. Didn't forget about that. I still have a video I'm going to be doing it for that, for the finale for that, which is me putting in the custom loop. The thing is that I'm going to be moving soon, and I don't want to put in a custom loop and have to drain it and do all of that, moving and everything, so I'm going to do it once I'm stationary again, once I move, and you probably won't be getting that video for a while because we won't be moving for a little bit, but I still don't want to put it in yet. So once we've done and do that, and then I'll put it in and do the montage and you'll look at it and it'll look dope. But I'm coming here today is because I just did a build for my friend for his editing company at Motion 22.3 Productions. We've done a couple videos together. He is the one that filmed my Death Note skit that is on the channel. Definitely check that out, and definitely check out the other works we've done together, as well as their other works that they have done by looking up Motion 22.3 Productions on YouTube or anywhere else you do see. I will post a link in the comments so you can see and go to their page and look at all of their work that they do have. So it's just an editing rig for the most part, nothing fancy. He's not going to be gaming on it or anything like that. I went with an AMD build for the most part. I felt like that was the better choice for editing, since he's not going to really be gaming anyway, so he doesn't really need a gaming processor. So what I gave him was the RAM is Vengeance Corsair 3000 megahertz. It is a LED version because the theme is blue, and I call this thing Blue Magic, like Frank Lucas, like American Gangster. If you don't know it, look it up. The processor is a Ryzen 2700X. I believe 8 cores, 16 threads, if I'm not mistaken, so pretty good. And the motherboard I went with is a B450 Tomahawk by MSI for the most part. And the graphics card we went with is a RX 590 Sapphire, the Nitro Edition. This is what I gave him. Like I said, we're going with that Blue Magic theme. This was the main reason I wanted to go Blue Magic, because of the color of the graphics card itself, and I really liked it. So again, what I'm going to be doing today is basically, it's completed already. I didn't get to do a montage video of me building it because, again, I don't have that much space. Even though I had a little more space because this is a smaller build than my massive View 71 Thermaltake. But what I'm going to be doing today is going back in and doing some cable management, because for some reason they did not give me any cable combs with the custom cables that I asked for the power supply, as well as I'm going to be installing his storage, which is this solid state drive, 250 gigs 850 Evo, and then his Western Digital his WD 4 terabyte hard drive. So I'm going to be installing those, installing the drivers, and then I'm going to clean up the cords, and then I'm going to go into the montage where you guys get to take a look and see what it looks like. So let's get into that right now. All right, so I've installed everything I needed to install and did what I'm going to do with the wiring for the most part. Now I'm going to, boot the system. I know it booted before without the storage, so hopefully we don't run into any issues with it booting this time, because I could have wired something incorrectly. And then I'll have to go in and actually see what I did wrong for the most part. But we'll see if we get a boot. And if we do, I'm going to be installing the drivers. Actually, that RAM is in the wrong place. I just realized that. Yeah. Let me actually fix that. Yeah, that RAM, one of those RAMs is definitely in the wrong spot, but it looks like it's booting just fine. So I'm going to change that RAM over. Yeah, it wants me to move that RAM over. Let me do that actually. I'll do that right now as it kicks on window. But yeah, looks like everything's good for the most part. I like the build, I really do. And I did show my friend the finished build for the most part, and he did like it. He loves it, so I'm happy for that for the most part. It's up and running. That's good. All of his stuff is on there like it should be. So for the most part, I would say I'm pretty done. We'll move that RAM around, but that's about it for the most part. But yeah, there it is. Blue Magic. There's a couple designs I'm gonna put on the computer itself. This was white at first, this whole case, and I spray painted it so that it kind of matches the graphics card right there. But I'm gonna put their logo on there, as well as do like a design on the front to signify Blue Magic for the most part with American Gangster. So I'm gonna be doing that. But everything looks like it's good. Like I said, I need to change that RAM around. I don't know how I missed that and put that in the wrong spot. I noticed it before I turned it on. So I'm gonna be doing that. Definitely let me know what you think about the build in the comments. Drop a like if you liked the video. Hit a dislike if you didn't like the video, and let me know why, if you don't mind. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate any of the support I do get. And definitely follow the various social media sites that you do see below. It's been Sly and AfroNerdTV. Peace.